Hi all, here is a project that I've been working on this week. Skill-Xchange, as name suggests, focuses on exchanging the skills without any monetary benefit. It's a platform for users who are interested in learning new skills and also the users who want to share them. It's basically to connect by sharing your skills. This demo only focuses on CRUD operations using React.js. I've used FireStore for persistent storage. So apart from that, I use React Bootstrap, HTML, CSS as well. Let me just show you the FireStore database that I've created. It is pretty easy to integrate FireStore with your project. Not gonna lie, I did it for the first time and it worked quite seamlessly. So these are the two collections that I've created: skills and user. Skills has all the details with respect to the skills and the user ID of the user that is offering this particular skill. And as we see in the screen, FireStore is a NoSQL database, so we do not have a strict rules of relational database in here. So let me just show you the structure of the our project. We have our main file would be main.jsx, so it has all the paths to various pages that exist, and we have pages which has all the pages. Note that it is in .jsx format. We have db folder which has mystore.js, which is responsible for CRUD operations. There are all the functions which do the call to the FireStore database. There's context which has email context.jsx. It kind of exposes the email to all the children, so that the children components are able to access the email ID. And we have components in here. So basically what I mean by components is, if I go to my Figma interface marker, so I've highlighted this components in here, right? So each of these highlighted section is one component. So navbar is one component, the hero section is another, the popular skills is another component. So it's better to segregate it so that it becomes easier if you want to reuse it some point later in your project, right? So these are all the components. That's pretty much it. And with respect to documentation, I'll pin my GitHub repo in the comment section or the description, which you can have a look at. With respect to the demo, let me just go to my project. Okay, here is my home page. This shows a basic welcome message, and you have a nav bar and popular skills. So this basic, what it does is it just queries the FireStore database and gets the skills that exist. Right now I have very limited number of skills that I've added, which is why only 4 are visible. In case you're working with a very huge data set, then you can limit it to 4 or 5 major skills, or like 10 major skills. That's up to you. For now I have not done that, but yet all of these, it's kind of a starting point. In the about section, we have about the we can see that it calls /about route, which kind of calls about page. And we have this in our about page, and we have sign up page. Let me just put some random email ID. I think this exists already. Let me put test1 @gmail.com. It says it does not exist, so I'll have to sign up. If I go to sign up, test user 2 1 and 20. Let me just location, okay, San Francisco, sign up. So if I do that, it creates a user in FireStore database. If I go back here and then see, that's a test user. Okay, we have a test user one that's created, and let's just sign in. Now we will be able to sign in. Since the test user does not have any skills, it is not visible. Let me add something. Okay, public speaking, personal development. I'll pretty much use the same thing that I'd used earlier. Intermediate and online add skill. Now the skill is visible. I can edit it. If you notice that both the sections components got changed to update, that is because I've reused the same component for add and edit as well. If you do a separate component for each, you'd be able to achieve different results. For now it does work, so I've just kept it as is. If I modify this, I'll just remove some part of it. So update skill, the skill is updated. Let me just go to skill section, and you see if we have a skill like that. Yep, we have a skill under the user WU3, and is the test user with the same ID. Yep, that's right. And I can also delete the user, delete the skill. Okay, delete is done too. Now we have no skills. If I go back to skills, we do not have that skill, right? And the user, it still exists. That's because once you register, it would exist in your platform. They can later add on more skills if they want to. Apart from that, you can go to swap skills. So you want to learn a new technology, say you want to learn data stage or Python programming. So you want to see who are the other users who are providing the skill and connect with them. The idea behind it is, once you click this request swap, what happens is you will request will be sent, just like the connection request that you have on LinkedIn or say Tinder. A request will be sent to that user, and they have to accept it. Once they accept it, you will be able to communicate with each other, send messages, decide a timeline on when you learn or how you would connect with each other. All those skills are not functionalities are not been implemented in this project, but then maybe sometime in future. That's pretty much it with respect to this demonstration. You can have a look at the code that I've written, uh, collaborate, add anything if you want to. Um, that's it. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.